All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So jump up, jump up, jump up. So leap, leap to a higher place. She jumped up on the beach. Yeah, she jumps up for my photo. Yeah. Or disapprove of something. Jump up. Yeah, no. I will jump up now. Jump up now. Yeah. They think he is a jumped up simpleton. Nah. He's jumped up and he's bit off more. He is not as good as he thinks. He is jumped up. He's jumped up. Yeah. He thinks he's here, but he actually is here. There. He's jumped up. Yeah. She will jump up to the higher place. Jump up. Yeah. Very good. He used to be jumped up. He used to think he was here when he was actually here, but now he's smart. He used to think he's better than he is. He used to think he is better than he actually was. He used to be jumped up, but now he has improved and is smarter. How cool is that? He is jumping up and down. Jumping up and down. Jump up. Can you jump up to me? Can you jump up to me? I still need to jump up over it. Jump up over it. Soon he will be jumping up too. Yeah, jumping up to join us on the higher platform. Yeah. She is jumping up with excitement. Jumping up with excitement. Yes. How cool is that? They will be jumping up with approval. Yeah. He will be jumping up with delight. Yes. With delight. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So jump up, leap to a higher place and disapprove of something. Ugh. He's jumped up. They will jump up out of their seat with surprise. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so can you use jump up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.